Summer 2025, the year of the new hyperclub in Ibiza. Have you heard about UNVRS, the biggest club in the world? Let's go. So I've heard there's a telescope up on this bridge and you can see UNVRS in the distance. Let's go check it out. UNVRS is not just a venue, it's a blueprint for the future of entertainment. It creates a new reality for nightlife, one where the boundaries are not merely pushed, but redefined. I took to the streets of Ibiza and found out what people thought of this new club coming to the island. What is your thoughts on UNVRS opening this summer?
I think it's amazing. I think it's a fresh touch to the island and I'm very excited to go to the opening.
Quest'anno apre un club nuovo, UNVRS. Di che pensi sopra questo successo?
Spacchiamo tutto, spacchiamo tutto.
Do you care about UNVRS opening this year?
I couldn't give a
People were shocked to hear that Carl Cox will be hosting Sundays at UNVRS. It's caused a bit of a stir on the island, to be honest, especially given Carl's history as a DJ on the island, in particular his night at a club that doesn't exist anymore. We all know what I'm talking about. Carl will be hosting his events at UNVRS every Sunday. Carl Cox,
right.
Obviously the whole thing about he used to do space and then he was loyal to space and everything else and Pepe and now it's going, so what's your thoughts on that?
Money talks, doesn't it? Money mainly makes, well, especially on this island, we know how greedy this place is. So yeah, I think it's down to the cash, mate, simple as that, isn't it? So, but yeah, it's going to be absolutely amazing and yeah, I can't wait to get in there, mate.
Carl Cox is, I mean, he's a staple, so I'm really excited to go and see him.
E quali eventi ti piace quest'anno a UNVRS?
Carl Cox, aspettiamo Carl Cox.
E di che pensi di Carl Cox? Perché lui ha cambiato l'idea da Space e l'universo.
Fa niente, l'importante è che torna.
So there's always been talks about what part of the original club they'll keep, and it looks as though it's safe to say the Dome is here to stay. I'm buzzing about that because, I mean, they'd have been daft to get rid of that. Look how awesome it is. The club's scheduled to open Friday the 30th of May. And it used to actually hold 10,000 people, which is insane. Obviously being the biggest club in the world, it's going to have that amount of people in it. And the excitement surrounding the club's launch has been building up for quite some time, so it wouldn't surprise me if tickets actually sell out. you think about UNVRS, the club is open this year?
Yeah, I think it will be a very nice party with good mood. But be careful with the people. But also it will split all the people in.
I know, I
had
think
in
10,000 people removed.
Yeah. So I think it will be more easy to dance in the other place.
Elro are coming to UNVRS every Saturday this year, and people are saying it's going to be bigger and better than ever. On the club's website, I caught up with the ticket prices, which start at €80 for their first release tickets, and with this ticket you'll have to be at the club before 1 a.m. If that's too early for you, then you'll have to opt for the next ticket on the list, which starts at €90. Only a tenner difference, not too bad. And this is their standard general admission ticket, and it includes a free bus to UNVRS, and you can catch that bus from San Ibiza Town and Playa and Bossa. Next on the list though is an absolute belter, the VIP experience ticket. And this ticket will set your credit card back €500. But with this, you'll explore new horizons, it says here, from a private terraced balcony at the highest level of the venue, offering views of the dance floor. Exclusive access to a VIP restroom, in case you need to sit down and think about your ticket price. A designated entrance via the dome, that's pretty cool. You get 5 complimentary drinks, and that's per ticket, no champagne though. A luxury outdoor terrace, I wonder what that is. But it also says that this ticket doesn't authorise entry to the VIP table area. Well, that's interesting. So I'm assuming the area is a different ticket option. I couldn't find it on the website, so maybe you have to contact them direct for one of those. You can pause the video at this point if you want, and you can read the dress code.
I'm only here for the party.
Elro this year, it's at UNVRS. They have tickets. They start at €80, €90, and €500 for the VIP.
Oh my god, okay, it's a lot of money. But
Will you go into VIP?
it depends what can I expect there.
Will you be getting a €500 ticket VIP?
The first night of the road, the opening, I'll be down in the mud with everyone because that's what I really like.
Do you care about UNVRS opening this year?
I couldn't give a bollocks.
Well, Elro starts off at €80, then it goes up to 90, and then the VIP is €500. What's your thoughts on that? He's got no thoughts because he'll get a free ticket.
Yeah, of course I will. Well, to be fair, I can see it obviously with the money that's gone into the place to get it. Elro, especially the production, as I said, that's going to be off the fucking hook. That's going to be something that's going to be a different class.
Yeah.
So obviously I will be filming it. So yeah, wait for the video. It's going to be great. I look forward to UNVRS. As I said, I think it's going to do great things for San as well. Obviously being very close by. So we've got obviously Amnesia and now UNVRS. Yeah, man, let's do it. 2025, mate.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Tonight, spaceman.
E I biglietti fanno da 80, 90 e €500.
No, sto cazzo, 50 euro ho detto, 50 euro.
What about the Will Smith promo thing? What was your thoughts on that?
Sick, that was good. So let's see if he's going to be there.
He's right here. Here he is.
Where is he?
No, no.
Wait.
If Monday nights are your thing, Eric Prydz will be taking over those nights at UNVRS. He always puts on an amazing laser show, and with the club being such a big space, I think their laser show is going to be absolutely spectacular. Check out this from one of his gigs.